If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Uber, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Uber app. Go to your device's app store, search for Uber, and check for any available updates. Download and install any updates if necessary. Step 3. Restart the app. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches. Close the Uber app completely and then reopen it. Try to request a ride again to see if the payment issue persists. Step 4. Clear cache for Android users. If you are using an Android device, clearing the app's cache can help. Go to your device's settings, find the Uber app and select Clear Cache. After doing this, reopen the app and attempt your payment again. Step 5. Contact Uber support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Uber support for assistance. You can do this through the app by going to Help in the menu and selecting the appropriate issue related to payments. They can provide further guidance and resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment issues on Uber. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Uber's customer support.